Lahore woke up this morning to sounds of gunfire and blasts. Just exactly what is happening in Lahore, we will bring you this special report and much more on the Pakistan-India standoff. I'm Munize Jahangir, you're watching voicepk.net. And just this morning, around 6 a.m., there were sounds of gunfire and blasts in Lahore. Our reporter Ahmed Saeed went to Nasirabad, Walton in Gulbarg 3, just 2 kilometers away from this location, to find out what had happened. An Indian drone had been shot down.
इस टाइम हम खड़े हैं लाहौर के इलाका वॉल्टन में और आप मेरे पीछे जो एरिया देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान की कुछ दफाई तनसीबात हैं, उसके साथ जो है एक CBD है, सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट, जो पाकिस्तान का एक अहम तजारती, लाहौर का अहम जो है वो तजारती इलाका है। आज सुबह यहाँ 7 बजे के करीब लाहौर शहर का ये जो इस एरिया के रिहायशी हैं वो एक ज़ोरदार धमाके से उठे हैं और फिर जब उन्होंने देखा कि यहाँ पे कुछ ड्रोन टाइप जो है कुछ जो है वो चीज़ें उड़ रही थी और फिर उन्होंने देखा कि वो चीज़ें हवा में धमाके से फट जाती हैं। हमारे साथ जो हैं इस टाइम एक ऐनी शाहिद मौजूद हैं जो इस इलाके में के रिहायशी हैं। वो सुबह बाहर निकले, उन्होंने क्या देखा, क्या मंजर था, आइए हम उनसे बात करते हैं। तो एक तो भाई हमें बताएं कि सुबह क्या टाइम था जब आप बाहर निकले, तो क्या मंजर था?
तकरीबन 7 बजने में 10 मिनट थे अभी। तो ड्रोन टाइप एक चीज़ बड़ी स्पीड में ना यहाँ से यूँ गई है, जब इस तरफ गई है तो एकदम धमाके की आवाज़ सी आई है। उसके 2 सेकंड बाद सायरन बज गया, 2 सेकंड सायरन बजा, उसके बाद 10 मिनट बाद एक और फायरिंग की आवाज़ आई है और ड्रोन टाइप चीज़ फटने की आवाज़ आई है। ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कोई एक मंजिल ऊंची ना जगह पे जाके वो फटा। तो वो इस तरह नेवी की तरफ से आ रही थी आवाज़। तो सब हम उठे हैं, इलाके वाले, फ्रंट पे मेरा घर है, इस वजह से फ़ौरन भागे हैं। देखा, पता किया तो वो कहते जी इस तरफ कोई चीज़ गिरी है। अब वो सही बता नहीं रहे इस तरफ गिरा क्या है, मिसाइल है, ड्रोन है, क्या चीज़ है, लेकिन जो देखने वाले जैसे हमने देखा या और देखा है लोगों ने, वो ड्रोन कह रहे।
अच्छा, उसका साइज़ क्या था?
साइज़ इतना देखा नहीं गया क्योंकि बहुत स्पीड में था और 7 दरख्त हैं, वो सफ़ेदे के दरख्त और दूसरे दरख्त हैं, उसके ऊपर से एकदम गुजर गया। वो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे जैमर ने इंटरसेप्ट कर लिया हुआ है और जैमर्स की वजह से उसको रास्ता पता नहीं चलता। जैसे उसको लोकेशन पता लगी है कि इस तरफ है, वो यूं गया और उसके बाद ठा की आवाज़ आई।
Lahore residents also reported sounds of gunfire and explosions in other parts of Lahore. In defense, during midday, people heard explosions. Shortly thereafter, there was a press conference by the DG-ISPR who confirmed that 12 Indian drones had crossed into Pakistan territory. Later, he confirmed that 25 Indian drones had crossed into Pakistan territory. They were shot down, and during that operation, 4 army soldiers were injured and 1 civilian was killed.
Last night, that is the night of 7th and 8th May, India has undertaken yet another blatant military act of aggression against Pakistan by sending Harap drones at multiple locations. Pakistan Armed Forces, being in a high state of alert and vigilance, have so far neutralized 12 Harap drones at various locations. These locations are Lahore, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Attak, Bahawalpur, Miano, Chor and near Karachi. One drone, however, managed to engage a military target near Lahore partially. 4 men of Pakistan Army have been injured in this attack near Lahore, and partial damage to an equipment has occurred. Due to this activity, another drone, as a result of this activity at Miano, there is 1 civilian has embraced Shahadat and 1 is injured in Miano, Sindh.
So the Punjab government is now on high alert, and the Punjab government has started drill mock exercises by the Civil Defence and Rescue 1122, so that the Punjab government is and the province is prepared for any kind of escalation. We have also heard that an official has told CNN that and has confirmed that 1 Rafale jet was shot down by the Pakistanis the night that India attacked. Now, what did exactly happen last night? We have told you the ISPR version, but the Ministry of Defence in India, we would like to share that version with you so you have both sides of the story, and we bring you an objective reporting, which is very difficult to find in India and Pakistan, but we hope to do that. Now, what the Ministry of Defence is saying is Pakistan's bid to escalate negated, and it says that on the night of the 7th and 8th May 2025, Pakistan, and I'm reading this out to you, Pakistan attempted to engage a number of military targets in northern and western India, including Awantupara, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Nalphalodi, Uttarlai and Bhuj using drones and missiles. They were neutralized by the integrated counter grid and air defense systems. The debris of these attacks is now being recovered, they say. The Ministry of Defence further says today morning Indian Armed Forces targeted air defence radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. So they're talking about this morning. Indian response has been in the same domain with same intensity as Pakistan. It has been reliably learnt. They say that an air defence system at Lahore has been neutralized. That is what the Indian Ministry of Defence is claiming. And they end their press release by saying Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation provided it is respected by the Pakistan military. Please also note that the Ministry of Defence press release says right at the very beginning that during Operation Sindoor, India had called its response as focused, measured and non-escalatory, and it said that it was specifically mentioned that Pakistani military establishments had not been targeted. So it seems that from their press release, they want to de-escalate, they want to move forward towards de-escalation. That is something that Pakistan at the very beginning wanted, but later on said that because India has struck Pakistan, Pakistan has the right to respond. What will happen next is anybody's guess, but what the people of both India and Pakistan are hoping that we move swiftly towards de-escalation, and the international community is also looking at this situation very carefully. Therefore, we are bringing you these live stories, on the ground reports from where and when the action is happening. We hope there will be less of this action, but we will continue to report on voicepk.net on the India-Pakistan standoff.
आपकी खबर, आपकी आवाज़, voicepk.net